tahtsid uuesti näha ja sellel suurel ilusal laval on Liisi Karolini esituses Waiting to Dance with Somebody. Ja vaatame seda soolot hea meelega uuesti.
I've been in love and lost my senses, spinning through the dawn. Sooner or later, nothing but ends, and I wind up feeling down. A little bit, I'll take a chance on a love that burns hot enough to last. So when the night falls, my lonely heart dance with somebody. How I feel the heat with somebody. I dance with somebody. With somebody who dance with somebody. I feel the heat with somebody.
Suur tänu, Liisi Karolini, hämmastav kehakontroll ja ka uudsed lahedased olid su elementidel väga